Antero 800NA is a high-strength material that is tough and has good wear resistance. Hi, I'm Rachel Ratkowski, an applications engineer here at Stratasys. Antero 800NA has superior chemical resistance. That makes it a great material for tooling and production parts where chemicals are present. When you 3D print with Antero, you avoid the waste of machining high-cost PEX material, as 3D printing allows for material to be put just where it is needed. With its high strength, chemical resistance, and lightweight, Antero 800NA is a great choice for aerospace. This particular part is a low-pressure air duct for an aircraft. The part is installed in an environment with hydrocarbons, so the chemical resistance of Antero 800NA is a good match. The duct would otherwise be manufactured using composites, which requires expensive layup tooling. Manufacturing the duct with Antero reduces the part lead time and avoids the tooling costs. Another aerospace application is this Antero 800NA bracket. It's used in an aircraft wing to secure hydraulic components in an area where hydraulic fluid and other chemicals are present. Making the bracket from Antero 800NA provides a lightweight alternative to metal in a situation that other thermoplastics can't tolerate. These clamps were designed for an F-16 hydraulic line. With an aging fleet, the Air Force is looking for ways to economically replace obsolete parts. It's a great example of how 3D printing with Antero 800NA can be a cost-effective solution for low-volume, out-of-production parts. Antero 800NA is a PEX-based material. PEX stands for polyether ketone-ketone, and that's what gives Antero its high mechanical performance and high chemical resistance. Its tensile strength at break is 73 megapascals, or 10,600 psi, in the XC orientation. That's higher than our other high-performance PEI materials, Ultem 9085 and Ultem 1010. It does very well in high heat environments with a heat deflection temperature at 66 psi of 150 degrees Celsius or 303 degrees Fahrenheit. Antero 800NA uses a breakaway support and is available on the Fortus 450MC and F900 3D printers.
Antero ESD PEX-based thermoplastic filament is a material known for its great wear resistance, high heat deflection temperature, low outgassing performance, and consistent ESD properties. Hi, I'm Patrick Price, a senior research engineer here at Stratasys, to talk to you about Antero 840CN03, also known as Antero ESD due to its electrostatic dissipative properties. This property allows electrostatic charge to flow to ground in a more controlled manner than a conductive material would, while still preventing electrostatic buildup as compared to an insulative material. Let's take a look at two Antero ESD applications. The first is this pie-shaped piece, which is the docking hatch cover for the Orion class of spacecraft. What makes Antero ESD appealing for this application is that it allows the manufacturer, Lockheed Martin, to produce the part with the outgassing and ESD performance needed. Antero ESD allows for the part to be produced much more quickly in one piece without the need for additional post-processing to achieve ESD performance. The impact is a significant savings on the cost and production schedule. The other application that we're going to discuss today is this electronics box, which houses sensitive circuits. You'll notice that it has an interesting shape to it. That's because it was designed using topology optimization. Topology optimization only puts material where it's needed to contain the components as well as carry the mechanical loads. Manufacturing an organic shape like this using other fabrication methods would be difficult and expensive, sometimes not even possible. 3D printing it with Antero ESD makes it possible to do, easier, faster, and for a lower cost than machining or injection molding, all while achieving the ESD performance you need. ESD values for this material range from 10 to the 4th to 10 to the 9th ohms per square, offering a very low risk of creating a static discharge. This makes the material a perfect fit for high requirement, electrically sensitive applications. Antero ESD is also a very low outgassing material. Outgassing occurs when substances trapped in the polymer are released in the form of a gas. This can be critical in high cleanliness requirement industries such as medical and space. Antero ESD is a PEX-based thermoplastic, which is a polyether ketone-ketone material. Antero ESD has a heat deflection temperature of 150 degrees Celsius, which is 301 degrees Fahrenheit, with the test being performed at 66 psi. Antero 840CN03 uses a custom breakaway support material and is available on the Fortus 450MC and F900 3D printers.
Desirable characteristics of Ultem 9085 filament are its high heat and impact resistance, as well as chemical tolerance. Hi, I'm Thomas Whiting, a Stratasys applications engineer. I'm here today to talk to you about Ultem 9085 resin and Ultem 9085 resin certified grade. Ultem 9085 is a PEI or polyether imide polymer. It's one of two Ultem resins that you can print on Stratasys FDM printers. Appropriate applications include situations where you need high strength and lightweight, especially if heat resistance is a requirement as well. Tooling is a great application for this material because you can replace heavier metal components. This example is an end-of-arm tool, or end effector, designed by one of our customers. It's made from black Ultem 9085 filament and replaced their original metal end effector, which was heavy and bulky. Taking advantage of Ultem 9085 filament's high strength-to-weight ratio meant this new end effector could be made much lighter, reducing its weight by about 30 pounds. 3D printing also allowed the addition of internal air channels for vacuum gripping, something that is both difficult and time-consuming to do with traditional manufacturing. These internal air channels eliminated the need for external hoses that were necessary on the previous metal version. Here's an example of an environmental control system duct used in a commercial aircraft. The customer qualified the Ultem resin material to make flight-worthy parts and 3D printed the duct instead of making it from metal, resulting in a much lighter assembly. The 3D printed design also reduced part count for the entire duct system from 140 parts to just 16, simplifying production and the assembly process. Ultem 9085 has a high strength-to-weight ratio, something that is highly desirable in weight-saving applications in industries like aerospace. Its strength at break in the on-edge print orientation is 68 megapascals, or 9,870 psi, when printing at 10,000ths of an inch layer heights with the standard tip. This material meets several industry standards for flame, smoke, and toxicity. Ultem 9085 resin certified grade has the same desirable characteristics, except it comes with full traceability documentation, which may be required in regulated industries. It also has met more extensive test criteria. Ultem 9085 filament comes in black and natural colors and uses its own breakaway support material. It's available on the Fortus 450MC and F900 printers.